How to turn off background apps on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to turn off background apps on iPhone. So let's begin. There are actually two steps on turning off background apps on iPhone. So the first one is to simply swipe up slowly on the bottom of your phone until you can see these opened apps. So again, like this one, swipe up slowly and then you may be able to see the apps that are open on your phone. And then to turn them off, you just simply swipe up once again like this one. So swipe up, and then um, the apps will be turned off. And then the other step is that you go to settings and then go to general and go to background app refresh. So this feature allows the apps to have or still work even though they are on the background already. So you just simply turn this off. So click on this background app refresh on the topmost part and click on off right here. So once it is turned off, all of these apps that are running on the background will be turned off. But let's say, for example, that you want to let other apps to run in the background. So you may change them individually. So you may choose either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So let's say, for example, you want it on Wi-Fi, and then you want the Canva to run, to run in the background. You just simply remain this turned on and turn off the other apps right here. So you just turn it off, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off background apps on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.